5 Natural Remedies to Cleanse the Liver. In this video, we're going to talk about how to see 5 natural remedies to cleanse the liver. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Overeating, chocolate abuse, festive meals often harm our liver. To fight against these excesses and help our body to recover better, some natural remedies have proven their worth. Black radish. Black radish is a vegetable that drains the liver thanks to its choleretic, promotes the secretion of bile, and cholagogic, facilitates the evacuation of bile towards the intestine, properties. It thus allows the liver to function better in case of excess or in case of liver or biliary diseases. In this use, it is generally administered in the form of juice or capsules. Number 2. Dandelion. Dandelion is known for its protective properties for the liver and gallbladder. The roots are used for the liver, while the leaves are used to drain the kidney. Number 3. Artichoke. Artichoke contains cynarin, which favors biliary secretion, facilitates digestion and prevents or treats digestive disorders. It has been used since the 20th century to stimulate liver function. In its use for the liver, it is advised to take it in the form of dried leaves, at a rate of 2 grams, 3 times a day to treat dyspeptic disorders. Number 4. Rosemary. Rosemary stimulates and decongests the liver. It is often taken in association with dandelion and artichoke. It promotes the production of bile, which helps digest fats and promotes intestinal peristalsis, contractions of the intestine to evacuate the stool. It is consumed in the form of teas, at a rate of 1 teaspoon in 150 milliliters of water. Number 5. The essential oil of peppermint. The essential oil of peppermint stimulates the secretions of the pancreas, liver and gallbladder. It boosts digestion and purges the liver thanks to the menthone it contains, a ketone present between 12 and 32%. It is taken on a sugar, at a rate of 1 to 2 drops, after a copious meal or a feeling of heaviness. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.